I'm getting tired and I need someone to rely on. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches